Hey there. Need a new way to plan out content, but the pieces that complete it need a little more time to come together? That's where our placeholders come in. You may be used to creating notes on your calendar, but move over notes because placeholders will elevate your planning game. Placeholders are like little reminders that help you keep track of your content ideas, even if you're not quite ready to fill in all the details yet. They give you the flexibility to plan ahead and prioritize what needs to be done next. Turn your big picture plans into polished posts, one placeholder at a time. Now, let me guide you through how to use placeholders by starting with where you go to create a placeholder. You can click here and create a placeholder. You can also hover over a date and a plus sign will appear for you to create a placeholder. And lastly, you can come over here to the placeholder icon. This will open up the placeholder prompt and you can customize your content, starting with a color. If you have a hex code for your brand, you can add that in and have your specific color updated for the placeholder, or you can choose a new color. You can also add a title as well as an emoji. So let's test this out by selecting this pink color. And let's just put Happy Friday with an emoji. Let's do just the happy face. After that, you can click on the date and time. Clicking here, I'm going to shoot for Friday the 6th at 4 p.m. and save. From here, you can have this repeat on the calendar, just like your Google Calendar. Daily, weekly on Friday, monthly first Friday. You can select whatever you want. So I'm going to put weekly on Friday, and I'm actually going to select an end date for the end of the year and save. Next, you can add details. This is where you can add notes, ideas, inspiration, or you can even put the exact caption that you want to use. And once you convert this to a draft, that caption will move over. So let's click Save. And as that's saving, it will populate onto my calendar for every Friday. From here, I can click on my placeholder and I can convert this to a draft, or I can delete it. If you click on Convert to Draft, it will prompt you to make sure that this is an action that cannot be undone and if you want to continue. So we will continue. And then you get to select the platforms which you'll be scheduling for. So let's do Instagram and Facebook and create draft. Next, it'll open up just as it would if you were creating a new post and a new draft of content. And you'll see here that the date and time are still there, as well as that caption we added in. Now you can go through and continue to edit the content to add in your media, more options like first comment or location, and go from there to save draft or schedule. So let's save this draft. And as you'll see, it now populates for this Friday. I don't have any media added in, but your media would show here, as well as the date and time and the social channels. You'll also note that it did not change any of the other occurring placeholders, just the one that we edited for this. I hope that was helpful, and I hope placeholders elevate your game, and looking forward to seeing how you plan out and schedule your content with Planoly. Have a good one.